Hello, my name is Kate and this is E-Style Real Estate Property Channel. Today we are in La Recoleta in Punta Prima, one of the most prestigious urbanization of this area. The minute you enter the gate, you feel this amazing resort feelings. It's very quiet, gated community with lots of tropical gardens, palm trees, 4 swimming pools, security and very beautiful design landscape. And today I'm going to show you 2-bedroom apartment in this beautiful urbanization with South-Facing Terrace. It comes with underground parking and your own space. It's only within a very short walking distance to the Punta Prima beach with lots of bars and restaurants. Imagine your daily routine. You wake up in the morning, you have a coffee on your south-facing terrace, and then 2 minutes walk to the beach. You spend your afternoon by the sea and afternoon by the pool. Evening, you have many restaurants and beautiful bars and the whole entertainment for the family by the Punta Marina. Come with me, I'll show you this beautiful apartment. Now we are in our apartment and this is terrace of the apartment with amazing view to the swimming pool. Very good size with a dining table where you're going to spend lots of mornings and evenings with your friends and family. Inside we have very spacious, comfortable living room with a nice furniture, lots of space, dining area and a double-fitted wardrobe. Also here we have central air conditioning through the whole apartment. Next to the living room we have a beautiful open plan kitchen in a Spanish style breakfast bar, lots of cabinets and good quality appliances. Also we have a utility room as a separate room next to the kitchen. From the living room through the corridor, on my left-hand side we have first bathroom with a walk-in shower. And here the first bedroom with twin beds and double-fitted wardrobe, lots of natural lights. And here we are in the master bedroom of the apartment with lots of natural lights, double bed, double-fitted wardrobe and in-suite bathroom with a shower. All the bedroom facing south, which means the apartment is very warm with lots of natural lights. Today I've shown you 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in one of the most prestigious community of Punta Prima, La Recoleta. It's available now for sale under 290,000 euros. If you want more details, if you want to book appointment for the viewing, please contact our office. Thank you very much for watching us, subscribe to the channel and see you next time.